All right, crypto enthusiasts. Today I'm showing you the easiest way to set up your Binance API in 2024. Let's dive right in. First up, log into your Binance account. If you haven't already, you might want to open a futures account, but that's optional. Now, head over to the API management page. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create API Key. You'll need to choose the type of API key you want. Are you looking for trading or just data? Make sure you pick the one that suits your needs best. Next, label your API keys. This just helps you keep things organized. You don't want to mix up your keys, trust me. Now pass the security verification. Binance takes security seriously, so this might involve some two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. All right, we're halfway there. Head over to Bitsgap and go to the My Exchanges page. Select Binance from the list. Choose Manual Connect. Enter your newly created API key and secret. And there you have it. You're all set to start automating your trades or tracking data like a pro. Remember, keeping your API keys secure is crucial. Never share them and always keep an eye on your account activity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.